next men's
Time now
event.
for the men's 100-meter T52 opening heat. And on the outside from the USA, IANNOTTA, the bronze medalist from Leon. And away they go, and it is the Mexican who gets away to a very first start. Hernandez, Mondragon there in lane 6. He's rocketed away, but going with him is Sam McIntosh of Australia. And McIntosh is fighting back on the outside, and then coming through on the outside, it's the American IANNOTTA. And it's a very tight call, and it may be on the outside there, IANNOTTA who gets the win. And it is in second place there, Sam McIntosh of Australia by the looks of it. And Mondragon is going through in third place. It's McIntosh who's got the decision. Well, that must be a very close. I'd like to see that is a continental record of 17.44 seconds. I'd like to see a photo on that one. 17.44 is the time. They are down to the thousandths of a second. A dead heat between those two. Well, that will mean they go through anyway because the first three go through. It's a continental record for McIntosh. And is a very, very tight affair. IANNOTTA of the USA, who also goes through on 17.44. Hernandez Mondrago, 17.51. Well, look at that. You cannot get any closer than that. As tight as you can possibly get. The two of them going across the line. We just need to thank ourselves that it's a heat to go through to the final. There it is. Try and separate that. You can't.
The Mexican shot out of the blocks there, and I thought he was going to run away with it. But Sam McIntosh of Australia came back with vengeance in the second half of the race. The USA athlete coming from almost nowhere to equal the Australian there on the line.
Well, dead heat there given for the two in equal first place, IANNOTTA and McIntosh. McIntosh with a continental record, Australian record. And Hernandez Mondragon, who's been around for many a year, he's in third place, 17.51, and it will be the next two fastest who qualify for the final after the second heat, which involves the world record holder, Raymond Martin. Won't they be something to see?